But the big lesson is over-leverage kills. I wrote, as I said, I wrote a big check, 2 big checks going into this structure. We believed in it. We believed in the story, and in fact, private equity were a fantastic partner in helping us build the business. You know, we weren't to know that we were going to go through the crisis that we had. But debt kills. It kills overnight. Absolutely overnight. It destroys the value, the equity in the business overnight. And I think the other lessons that we actually learned, a bit like Nick Clegg, is you've got to keep people on your side. You've got to, the politics we had to play through that year to try and get a deal done was quite extraordinary. And we had to keep all the parties on side. And I remember sort of winking at the steering committee of the bank, saying, you know, we're not adverse to doing a deal with you, banks, you know, bring me the money. We knew that doing a deal with the banks was the best for the company and the best for management. So if you've got cash, it takes forever, so you've got to find a full stop, some way of negotiating it. And I think just looking to the future, 1 second, I'm really excited about actually the future of Incisive. Now, we had got the business from 13 people, 250 grand of startup under EIS to 2,200 people. We actually were generating profits pro forma of over £65 million, and our turnover was around 260 million. So it was a hell of a journey. The business today, though, is a business that now has, because we sold the US asset to Apex and the banks, the business is a bigger business than it was when we took it off the markets, a much bigger business because we took 4 acquisitions. We're around about 800 staff. We're in the UK, Asia, and North America. And actually, we've got a fantastic platform to continue to grow the business. But our focus over the course of the next 3 years is absolutely, because of the incentive we got, to go back to our knitting and doing what we love doing and doing what we're good at, actually, which is building our business organically, creating new brands, building those brands across multiple platforms, and taking advantage of the huge opportunity online. Because there is massive opportunity. And our online revenues now account for just short of 30% of our business. But we've got a fantastic opportunity to grow our value there. And I think, actually, my team who've been with me, dare I say it, and they must be fucking mad, but they have been with me for over 20 years because they all worked with me in my prior company. But I think my team will make a lot of money. And in fact, I'm pretty sure we'll make as much money in the next 3 years as we did in the first 13 years. And I think money is a driver for us. I mean, I think we've had the hero status, we've had the crash and bang, we've had the train crash. We're focused on building a really good quality business and making frankly, a handsome return for us that no doubt the Conservative Lib coalition will take 40% of. So I'm going to Switzerland. That's my story.